Well, hello there, guys. Now we're back again with another tutorial, flutterflow. And for this one, I want to make something like this. So this is what I've been doing around the clock. So you want to, whenever you try and upload something here, it's going to upload it and display it here. Like when you upload an image, you should upload it and display it in this small container here. So the size of the container can be defined by you. So it's really up to you. So this is adding to Firebase. And you might notice whenever you're starting to create the project, you might not be able to add images into Firebase. So that is not a problem. We are going to look at it right now. But whatever you're going to look at is not what you're supposed to do in production. It's just something that is going to help you when you're building the application. So it's just going to be involved mostly on the rules. So you notice here I have some few images based on what I've just uploaded right now. So I have this one and have this one. This is what we have just uploaded about right now. So this is, yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at how we do this. So it's very simple. So I'll show you how we do it. All right, so let's go ahead and look at first how I did it on the flutterflow app. So this is how you do it. Technically, what I've done is I've just created an image. I've just dragged and dropped an image here. So this is an image container. And I've also dragged and dropped this icon button. So the icon button is what you're going to be using to create the action to upload the image. So we can just go through that together. Just going to delete my action here and delete it. Very well. So let's create an action. And this is basically what you're going to be using to upload the image. So go ahead and scroll down up to where we have the upload media. We have these upload media here, and you want to upload an image or a video. But well, inside this action is a place where we can just change the media source. So I don't want to display the gallery. I don't want to display allow the person to use the camera, but you can leave the camera on if you want. So I'm just going to be using the gallery for my situation, and that is it. So that we have an upload button. So make sure it's a button. Don't make a container clickable. Just make sure it's a button. Great. Now we drag and drop an image here, but there's a catch to the image, so I just put them inside a stack. So yours can be different, doesn't have to be like mine. Now inside my image here, by default the image looks something like this. Let me show you. Okay, let me just read this. So by default the image looks something like this. So this is what we have by default. But now I want to make it such that whenever I upload the image from there, I'll be able to know what image I've just uploaded. And that's why we have this image display at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is set a path, and it's going to be coming from the variable. And now remember the action button we just added here that is doing the upload media. So that is going to be our widget state. Now when you click on the widget state, you're going to find this upload file URL. So that's what we are going to be using. And what this is going to do is whenever you upload the image like we have done here, whenever you upload the image, it's going to be displayed in this image at the bottom down here. Also, when you change it, it should also display down there. So that is it. I don't think there's anything else we need to do. But also, if you haven't looked at how to do the image uploads, so we have this. You create on the button. This is a button that's going to be pushing them to Firebase. And you create your backend call, create document categories. So this is the collection I'm using, and I have two fields. So these are the fields I'm uploading. And also you notice the field is going to be taking the same widget state that we have used here. So that's basically it. Now the last step. Now the last step involves going to Firebase. And when you go to Firebase, you need to come to this place here. But normally, if you don't know how to navigate to this page, so this page is available under build, and you find the storage right about here. So you click on the storage, and you're going to go to rules. Now, when you come to the rules, you have a few things you have here. So this is not how you're going to do it. This is how you're going to do it when you're testing. When you go to production, or you need to add some logic to your queries, you need to adjust the rules. So you can check the Google documentation for Firebase on the rules. So we are going to change this false and make it true. That is it. And you're going to click on publish here. and it's going to tell you publish changes can take up to a minute to propagate. So that's all you have to do. And now you should be able to upload images successfully in your Flutter Firebase application. Alright, have a good one. See you in the next video.